Today I'm showing you 3 easy ways to add your routines into Notion, because most people set up their habits and routines in Notion the wrong way. So here are 3 ways to do it: the button, the recurring routine, and in Notion Calendar. Subscribe for Notion tutorials, let's dive in. So the first thing that we are going to need is a calendar. So I'll do /cal, and here I'll click on calendar view. So for these to work, we are going to need a database, and a calendar is a type of database. So I'll click here on new empty data source. So let's look at the button first. So what I'll do here is / and write button. And here I'll click on button. So this here will be my routine. Now instead of creating them in here, what we'll do is create them in our calendar. So I'll click here on plus, and let's say you go for a run in the morning, that's one of them, and let's say that you read for 30 minutes, for example. I don't know who reads for 30 minutes in the morning, but let's say hypothetically that's part of your morning routine. Here what we'll do is click on new action, and we'll say insert blocks. So basically when this button is clicked, then these blocks here will be generated. And those blocks here will be the run and read 30 minutes. So what I'll do is simply drag these here into this spot here, and then I'll drag this one here as well. So now when I click on done, basically when I click on this routine button, those here get generated. So then I can simply drag them into my day. So every morning I just have to click on a button and then drag those tasks in to the day. It's really as simple as that. Now one thing to make this more powerful is you can actually set different properties here that get automatically generated as well when you click on this routine button. This is especially useful if you're a headquarters user. When you click on that button, you can have the tasks in the routine button automatically assigned with the relevant project, the relevant life bucket, maybe the state of mind, maybe the urgency, the importance, even the time blocking. Any of these properties here can be automatically assigned. So that routine button here holds even more information. If you don't know what headquarters is and you want to find out more, there's a link in the description to my template and to the full tour. Now, option number 2 is to create the recurring routine. So here on our database, what we can do is click on the down arrow, and here we can create a new template. Now this here is a database template. So not a template like headquarters, which is the full template. This here is a template in a database, also referred to as a page template. So this here we can call the morning routine. And here what you'll do is /, and here what we'll do is create a to-do list. So we can say make coffee, eat oats, do 30 push-ups. I cannot do 30 push-ups. But this here is now your morning routine. Of course, we can add an icon as well. Let's say the sun, that makes sense. And as you can see, because this is a template, here what we can do is repeat every, and here we can say how often we want it repeated. So we want this repeated every single day. And here we can select when we want it to be generated. Now I want to point out, once you set that, it won't automatically show up in your calendar here. It will generate and show up on that specific time. So if you say 7 a.m., it will generate at 7 a.m. You won't see future ones, you will only see it at the time it's meant to be generated. The reason Notion does this is because these calendars here, I can click forever into the future. So basically Notion's databases would have to store an endless amount of data into the future if you set a morning routine as a recurring task. All right, let's look at option number 3, and that is to use Notion Calendar. So if we click here on Manage in Calendar, the Notion Calendar app opens up. And as you can see, this morning routine task shows up here. And that's because this task here, morning routine, is showing up on the 11th. So it shows up in my calendar, October 2025 on the 11th. But as you can see, it has not been given a specific time. So what we can do is drag it from the top here under all day into the specific time we want to do it. So here I can drag it, and let's say I'll do it at 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. for example. And what I can do now is simply hold down Option on the keypad and duplicate that task. So now I can block out my entire week with the morning routine here. That way I know not to schedule anything over in that time. So task 1 here, whatever that is, I know this time has been blocked out for me to do my morning routine. By the way, if you want more help with the Notion calendar, then click on this video here. Or if you want to see my full headquarters template tour, which includes the routine button and much more, then click on this video here.